Hey everyone, what's going on? It is your boy Tweet and welcome to the weekend's drawing video. Now today I have a redrawing of Gogeta from the Dragon Ball Super Broly movie. Now I previously did this in December and I have to say I did not like the way it looked. This was not at all satisfying. So I thought, why not try it again and mix it up and do something different. So I kind of took a lot of resources from reference material and I kind of put them together and I got this, solid picture of Gogeta, and I think I think you guys are really gonna like it. Put a lot of effort into it. What I'm actually doing, I'm going through my old sketchbook and I'm going to like redraw everything that I've ever done, like top 5 or top 20 drawings or something like that, and this just so happens to be number 1 or chapter 1. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is, because I didn't draw everything on my channel that I've written in my sketchbook, so what I'm gonna do is probably just like post a picture of them and show you guys what it looked like, and we'll just go from there. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, don't got much to say about it. Love the drawing, love it. Always can improve, I feel like I have improved quite a lot actually. And yeah, I'm just gonna shut up now. All right, yeah, see you guys in the next one. See you next weekend. All right, gonna stop talking and cut off in mid-sentence.
Game, it's a losing game, but this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. Without trying, and how will we
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.